Hi friends, Assalamualaikum. Welcome to Shabana's Cuisine and Vlogs. So today we're gonna make a delicious, easy to make roast falooda, which is on my uncle's demand, my favorite apapa. So come on, let's get started. So let's see the ingredients. Here we have taken 2 packets of falooda, as my uncle is a crazy lover of falooda. This falooda mix you can get easily in Lulu. So here we have 2 liters of milk and 2 glasses of water and some chopped dry fruits. So let's take a pan and we'll put milk into it. Now let's add water into it. Milk is about to boil. Let's add falooda mix into it. Add another pack also. Let's give a stir. Go on stirring for 15 to 20 minutes on medium flame. Now let's add chopped dry fruits. Again give a stir. Our falooda has thickened up. This is the thickness which we need. Once it comes to room temperature, it will be more thicker. Let's switch off the flame. Our delicious roast falooda is ready to drink. So friends, do try it. It's very tasty and very easy to make. So friends, if you like my video, so please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.